Changing your location on X, formerly Twitter, is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Whether you want to update the location displayed on your profile or change your account's country settings for a more relevant experience, you can do it directly from the app or website. The first step is to update your public profile location. This is the location that appears below your bio and is visible to anyone who visits your profile. Start by opening the X app on your smartphone or visiting the X website in your browser. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture and select Profile, then click or tap the Edit Profile button. Scroll down until you find the location field. Enter the city, state, or country you want to display on your profile. You can use your current location, a favorite place, or any location you prefer. Once you've entered the new information, tap Save to update your profile instantly. Next, you can change your account country. This setting is different from your public profile location because it helps X determine which regional content, trends, and recommendations to show you. To update it, open the Settings and Privacy menu from your account options. Select your account or account information, depending on your device. Find the country option, tap it, and choose your preferred country from the available list. Confirm your selection by tapping Change or saving the update. Keep in mind that changing your account country may affect the content you see, including trending topics, advertisements, and certain regional features. It won't automatically change your device's GPS location or your IP address, so your actual location may still be detected for security or service purposes. That's all there is to it. By updating both your public profile location and your account country, you can personalize your X experience and ensure your profile reflects the location you want others to see.